Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to Apna channel. So very early they announced BEML exam date. It was not expected at all. Okay, I was expecting in January month. Okay, but still, yes, it's really good that quickly if they do the recruitment, then definitely the probability of getting offer letter very quickly is high, right? So in this video, now I will discuss you that how you can join our Master Success Pack because BEML is the part of your Master Success Pack. Okay, and what are the things here which you are very important for BML, like what is the exam pattern we will discuss, then how you can prepare for the next 10 days we will discuss the things, okay, and everything that is important for you we will discuss. You know the exam date is 11th of December 2022, and I guess admit card it will get start downloading from 20th December. Okay, whenever it will get active I will make a short video to inform you guys, don't worry for that, right? Let's start our discussion. First important point, what is the exam pattern of BEML? Okay, so two sections will be there. First section will be your domain and second section will be your general. Now in domain you will get technical questions of your branch, okay, not of all branches, only your specific branch you will get technical questions. How much questions you will get? 100 questions for 100 marks. Okay, in general you will get only 20 questions of 20 marks, and in general basically you will need to study aptitude portion and plus reasoning. Okay, so basically it is the combined portion of aptitude and reasoning. 20 questions you will get, right? This is the basic pattern of your exam. Total 120 questions you will get for 120 marks, means positive marking is there of 1 mark and negative marking is there of 0.33, that is 1 by 3. Okay, so the negative marking is there, so just make your mind for this, because now in Master Success Pack basically we are targeting BML, BDL and LMRC. For BDL and LMRC I guess there is no negative marking. For LMRC I am not I forget, I will just take that. And for BDL there is no negative marking, but for BML there is negative marking. Okay, so just make this sure. There is no sectional cutoff, definitely just overall cutoff will be there, and 85% weightage will be there for your computer based exam, that is CBT. So definitely in our Master Success Pack CBT plus IGP is there, no need to worry for that. We will first focus on full CBT and then we will go for our IGP, right? Okay, so this is the exam pattern, and yes, time duration is 2 hours. So basically you will get 120 minutes to attempt 120 questions. Okay, now basically what are the syllabus is there for technical? So yes, it is the gate subject only, whatever gate subject you have. Okay, no need to do engineering mathematics. The other subject 8 to 10 subjects are standard as per your branch, that you need to do. Okay, the level will be, definitely it will be easy to moderate. There is nothing to worry for this exam, BML exam. It will be easy to moderate 99%, because 1% if they change the pattern, then for that also you should prepare mentally. Okay, aptitude reasoning. Now aptitude reasoning, the standard syllabus what I told in our strategy videos, you can follow BDL strategy video also. In BDL syllabus also you can follow the same syllabus for aptitude and reasoning you need to do. Okay, that DI will be there, then your blood relation direction test question will be there, number series will be there. Okay, then your profit loss discount numbers, SICI, your time and distance, time and work, basic chapter percentage will be there. Okay, like this 20 questions will be there, mix. So now here basically our focus should be fully on technical part, because definitely it is dominating. 100 questions you will get and only 20 questions you will get for non-technical, and non-technical question will be not that much hard. Definitely you can do this if you practice properly, then you can do this. Okay, see, so now what I want, that for exam level, or I can say for confidence, to build your confidence, just get 1 mark question you need to practice. Okay, get 1 mark question you need to practice. Now our Master Success Pack is currently available only for electronics communication and electrical. So mechanical guys, sorry, for now it is not possible to give you properly. Okay, that's why it's better to means to deny nahi hai. Okay, so what we can do basically, get 1 mark question you will practice, and along with that you can do ESC last 10-year paper practice. What are questions they ask in your ESC, engineering services? Okay, you can also practice that. For EC and electrical, no need to practice engineering services, because get 1 mark is enough. And with this you will combine our mock test. Okay, our mock test will be there, that we are going to start, so that you will combine, right? So like this you can do. And for our non-technical portion like aptitude reasoning, those who have Q box, just hit the Q box. You know the Q box, just practice the questions of Q box, that will be enough. If you don't have Q box, okay, especially mechanical guys, because in Master Success Pack I am giving you the Q box. So what you can do, just our Telegram PDF daily you can practice, and just you can practice those questions, that will be enough for your exam. Okay, for the next 10 days if you practice multiple, at least target to practice last 3 months Telegram PDF. Okay, these are the things which if you don't have Q box. Okay, like this. So yes, you can just follow this strategy for the last 10 to 12 days, and definitely you can make it. Just focus on 85 percentage, then our for 50% our IGP will be there, no need to worry for that, okay. But important thing is that try to secure maximum score in this 85 percentage. Again, do not forget there is negative marking, okay. 0.33 negative marking is there, so be careful in exam hall. Okay, now about Master Success Pack. So already the purpose of Master Success Pack, I made the separate video here on I button. You can check that video after this video. Okay, basically in short, if I say Master Success Pack is to target multiple recruitments in the same fee. Okay, because I want to make it super affordable, because now mission mode is going on, lots of vacancy will come, and again you need to pay separate fee for this success pack, that success pack. Okay, so I don't want that, because I want to make it super affordable for you guys. And the purpose of Master Success Pack is to get first offer letter or one offer letter, and then definitely after getting one offer letter, we will target multiple recruitments as possible, right? So now I will show you that how you can join this Master Success Pack, and definitely separate videos will be there in your mentor talk folder in Master Success Pack, that whatever things I give you in Master Success Pack, how you can utilize these things, okay, then how you can attempt BML paper, and what are the do's and don'ts for exam hall. Definitely separate videos will be there in your Master Success Pack soon, okay. Also our mock test. So basically we will start our mock test from 5th or 6th, okay, or before that only we will start from 1st December, okay. So one will be 1st December, other one will be 5 December or 3. So first 3 and 5, okay. It is tentative, definitely I will tell you 3 mock tests will be there, full length mock test, okay. It will be there in your Master Success Packs. Okay, now here you can see the screen of your mobile application. Definitely mock test you will give on web application also, yes, right. Just register, do registration, login करो. उसके बाद you need to click on store button. Now in here, now store, lots of courses are there, lots of success packs are there. Directly click on search, and here just enter master. Okay, like this. So here in front of you, you will get 2 Master Success Pack which are currently live for electrical and for electronics. Okay, suppose I am clicking on electronics now. Now definitely it is the most affordable solution to get into the PSUs and central government, and this is not I am talking in हवा में, okay, हवा में बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Already सिलेक्शंस अभी तक कंसिस्टेंटली हर एक पीएसयू और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट में दिए हैं, और आगे भी होते रहेंगे. और इसका जो मतलब ये है वीडियो है, ये जैसे आपको इंस्पिरेशन के लिए है कि इफ दिस गाइज कैन डू, डेफिनेटली यू कैन ऑल्सो डू, बिकॉज दीज आर नॉट फ्रॉम IIT और IIMs, ओके. ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स आर फ्रॉम प्राइवेट कॉलेज और जस्ट एवरी स्टूडेंट. इफ दे आर इन गवर्नमेंट जॉब, दे आर एज अ साइंटिस्ट बी, वर्किंग एज अ साइंटिस्ट बी इन BRC, then NIC, then lots of students are HAL, then just recently we got result of RailTel, which is Ministry of Railways. So lots of results we have till now, and if this guys can do, definitely you can also do, okay. So here you can see now 1499 is the total price, right? Now to make it super affordable, one more time what you can do, suppose now in content if I go, you can see the folders mentor talk, then LMRC, BML, BDL, right? Like these folders are there. In mentor talk, basically time to time according to recruitment I will upload the videos. Now for now BML is first exam, so I will upload the BML exam video, right? Now what you can do, basically if you are targeting only BML, okay, if you say sir I don't want LMRC, BDL, okay, what you can do, how you can just use it super affordable way, okay. Just you can scroll down, and here you can pay in installments, okay. So for what is the installment there, you can see here installments, and the duration of this 14 months, okay. Our Master Success Pack, in description all the things are given in detail, no need to worry, you can read that. If you have still query, definitely you can ask me, right? So first installment is 799 for 6 months, and after 6 months you need to pay 709, right? Now only suppose you are targeting BML, then just pay 799, no need to pay what 1499, definitely no need to pay full fees, right? If your target is only BML. After 6 months, suppose you feel okay, let's target this recruitment also. If you saw that recruitment in your Master Success Pack, and you saw, if you tell yes we will target, then definitely after some time you can pay 700 rupees, okay. But before that, for the next 6 months, whatever recruitment will be there in your Master Success Pack in single fee of 799, we will target that, and we will try very hard to get one offer letter first, and then after that definitely we will see it, right? So like this you can make it more affordable by paying in installment, no need to pay, again I am telling, no need to pay super full fee, okay. If you can afford, definitely you can pay, but this option I am giving you for those candidates who can't afford 1499 at one go. Definitely it is not big amount for majority of candidate, but for some candidate it is the big amount, I guess, right? So like this our free master, our Master Success Pack is there, and yes, I hope that you got the steps that how you can join the free master plan, all the details, okay. That like your Q box is there, magazine box is there, English ebook is there. Also we are working on the content also, okay. So in extra folder which is non-commitment to you guys. Also, I'm adding the things, okay, for you guys. So definitely time to time it will get updated, and we will make it super strong, because I want to make Master Success Pack super strong, so that we will get lots of selections. And the video length you can see here, 4 minute 31 second. I want to make it super high, that is 1 hour 2 hour, okay, because lots of selections we will target and we will get it for sure, right? So now I hope that yes, you got the things. Okay, it is available for electrical also and electronics also. Just see here your branch name, and then you can join the Master Success Pack. Okay, so all the best for your BML recruitment for CBT. And if you have any query, any doubt regarding anything, definitely you can comment down below. Also, you can DM me on Instagram also. On application also, I am available. So suppose you click on this chat button, okay, here you can see my number or my chat. Just you can open it and you can chat with me. Okay, all the best.